Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Stacy and the D's channel. If you're new here for the first time, I want to say a warm welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by on Stacy and the D's platform. Welcome back to my old subscribers as well, and welcome back to my, and I must say welcome to my new subscribers, and welcome back to my silent watchers. Yes guys, so today I'm in the kitchen again, and if you're an old subscriber, you'd have known by now I call this segment Stacy's Cooking Show. Whenever I cook and vlog my food, I call that segment Stacy's Cooking Show. So if you're new here, welcome to the club. This segment Stacy's Cooking Show. So I do other things on here, on this platform here. If you're new here and you're watching me right now doing this cooking vlog, I mean this dish vlog, because I already prepared a meal. Yes, so I do a lot of contents over here, so get used to the channel guys. You can check out some more videos. Yes, I have a lot of contents here. Yes guys, so today guys, I made myself some fried dumpling, some steamed cabbage with carrot and saltfish in the midst, as you can see right there. Yes, and I add some cucumbers. Yes, and this is what I feel for today for my breakfast. Yes guys, so this was very easy to prepare. This is just a simple meal guys. And for my dough, I use some cow's milk, I use butter in my flour as well, salt, baking powder to make this flour right here. Yeah, and the cabbage, I steam the cabbage as well guys, and the carrot, and I boil my saltfish first. So guys, if you're interested to hear I prepare this meal guys, just leave it in the comment section. Most people can cook already, so sometimes I don't even bother to go through the whole procedure of preparing the meal, because we all know that most people can cook already. But if you're interested to know how I prepare my yummy breakfast, leave it in the comment section. Leave your comment in the comment section, and I will show you in another video how I prepare these dumplings right here and everything right here. So guys, I have different styles of making dumpling, but this morning I rather to go ahead and do some big flat dumpling this morning. Yeah, yep. So if you check out my channel, I have other fried dumplings on there, and they made it different styles. So just feel like doing it this way this morning. So guys, if you're new here, like I said before, please to go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You won't be disappointed. I do a lot of niches over here. Thanks for watching this video everybody. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments you're gonna leave in the comment section. I would say thanks in advance. Yes guys, so remember to like this video, share with a friend, tell a friend to tell another friend about Stacy and D's channel. So for now guys, peace, I'm out.